Hey everyone! Before we jump into today's tutorial on how to open your Fidelity cash management account, just a quick note. I made another video talking about why so many people are moving away from traditional banks. If you're curious about that, the link is in the description. Alright, let's walk through how to open a Fidelity cash management account together. Start by going to Fidelity's website. At the top of the page, hover over Accounts and Trade and click on Cash Management. On that page, click the button that says Open an Account. You should now be on the Fidelity Cash Management Account Overview page. Take a quick look around just to confirm. You'll see information explaining that this account is an alternative to traditional banking, designed for convenient spending and saving, with no account fees and no minimums to open. Select Cash Management, and it will take you to a page that will show Fidelity Government Money Market Fund and FDIC Insured Deposit Sweep Program. On this page, locate the button that says Open an Account. Click that button to begin the process of opening your cash management account. If you already have a Fidelity login, just sign in. If you don't, you'll need to create one. Fidelity will ask for your name, date of birth, social security number, email, and phone number. Next, Fidelity will ask about your employment status, your occupation, and your employer address. Then you'll answer a few regulatory questions, just simple yes or no answers. Then you'll see a section about how your cash will be held. Like most people, I prefer Fidelity Government Money Market Fund. Once you've made your choice, you'll see a summary page. Take a moment to review everything. If it all looks good, click Open Account. After a few seconds of waiting, you should see a confirmation screen letting you know your account is open. If you see an error message at this stage, you need to clear your browser history or change the browser type and redo the process again. You now click Next. After creating your username and password and answering security questions, click Next. You should see a confirmation screen letting you know your username and password are established. You can now log in to your new cash management account and set things up like direct deposit, your debit card, bill pay, or linking additional banks. And that's all. Your Fidelity cash management account is ready to go. From here, your next steps are really important, so I've made follow-up videos that walk you through linking your bank account, applying for a checkbook, and setting up your debit card. Make sure to check the description below.